See, I strongly believe that the person that started the myth that microwaves destroys food nutrients either like suffer or I don't know. Because what? How? What do you mean? Calm down. Calm down. Anyways, you're welcome to Food Truths with Hini. I'm sure you already know what myths we're bossing today. And if you don't know, start again. Microwaving does not destroy nutrients more than other cooking methods. In fact, in many cases, it even preserves nutrients better. The truth is, all forms of cooking, regardless of the method, microwaving, boiling, frying, etc., cause some degree of nutrients breakdown, especially heat-sensitive vitamins like vitamin C and certain B vitamins. Now, nutrient loss happens mainly because of heating, water, cooking time, and not the microwave itself. Microwaves cook food faster and usually with little or no water, so vitamins, especially vitamin C and B vitamins, are better retained. What actually helps preserve nutrients are short cooking time, minimal water, and avoiding overcooking. So if you're reheating or cooking veggies in the microwave properly, you're not killing the nutrients. I mean, microwave gives you ease. Abi, don't you like ease? I hope you've learned the food truths today. Now, share this video to that person you know that has been avoiding a microwave because of a myth. And I will see you in the next food truths with Hini. Ciao!